DP Calendario Homework 1. This is due on October 28th. How to do the homework. Parte uno says what comes before and after each month or day of the week. So here you have diciembre. So you're going to put the month that comes before diciembre. That would be November, but you're going to put that in Spanish, noviembre. And then the month that comes after December is January. I'm going to look at my list and realize that that is enero. So you're going to do that for all the other ones. And then down below on parte dos, it says, complete each sentence with the correct day of the week. But you need to read through the sentences because it's kind of like this one, both before and after, but you need to know a few things. So first, hoy es martes. Today is Tuesday. Mañana means tomorrow. So tomorrow would be Wednesday. Ayer fue. Fue means was. Ayer, if we look at our notes page, means yesterday. So yesterday was. If today is Tuesday, then yesterday must have been Monday. So that is how you are filling that in. So this is the homework, only 19 questions and 2 parts, and then you are finished.